I've been working in architecture for kind of a pre-sales architecture and some post-sales, where I'm doing it directly for a company in the cloud area, dealing with virtualization for about 7 years now. I've dealt with everything from Fortune 10 companies to startups that have 3 employees, some of which fall over, some of which take off and do well. And I've dealt with a lot of different verticals: transportation, finance, medical, and just through all of those different areas, I've gotten a pretty good background, pretty good exposure to a lot of different areas around the cloud. We'll be going through cloud and how it has shifted to, not just the cloud and what is it that's kind of been overdone at this point, but really going into hybrid cloud and into the way that we're seeing customers and prospects leveraging it, because it's not just the, you have a lot of executives that want to say, well, just to the cloud and that's it, and they think they're done. And there's a lot of complexities around that because it's really more than one type of cloud solution that usually gets kind of kludged together to end up forming what the final solution for a customer is going to be. So it's going through hybrid cloud, what that can look like, because there's a lot of different ways it can be implemented. There was a lot of alignment between things that, the topics that the Expo wanted to cover, what the theme was, and what we're seeing with our customers and the things that we're needing to do a little bit of education on with our customers. So it seemed like a pretty good opportunity to be able to basically help each other out around that. And the target audience of the Biz Expo is exactly what our target audience is as well. So there was just a lot of alignment between needs and efforts. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to get to see people at the Expo, to get to, every time we do these, I hope that I'm able to convey some new knowledge to someone else, but I inevitably always get to find out something new as well, because it doesn't matter how long you've been in any industry, there's always someone else that's experienced something you haven't. So it always ends up being fun because, I like to teach, so I get to get up and teach, and then I also like to learn. And I get to learn usually a lot more than people would expect. Talking, not just me in particular, but presenters in general, we get to learn a pretty good bit from the questions that customers are asking, and causes us to think about new angles on questions. And so I definitely look forward to seeing people there.